Today, I'll be fishing in this bay. Right now, I'm throwing a golden spoon. I was reeling pretty fast, hoping to get a bite. No bites, so I went under this bridge and moved into a creek. We found a spring and the tarpon were going crazy. No matter what we used, we could not manage to catch one. Feeling disappointed, I headed back in. But on the way back, I managed to catch a silver perch on this shrimp.
Oh, it's under. I don't know.
Although an unsuccessful day, at least God blessed me with one fish.